Alright, so I think I'm recording. Let's take a look at problem number 5. On these graphs of functions in this exercise, they have the same directions. We're looking to identify intervals over which the function is increasing, decreasing, or constant, and also to identify the symmetries, if there are symmetries of the graph with respect to the y-axis and with respect to the origin. So with each of these, we enter the graph on the left, and we hit an arrow that gives us two pieces of information that tells us that as x is decreasing here, as you're moving to the left, y is increasing, and here this is telling us that as x increases, y is also increasing. So we can relate this idea of increasing and decreasing constant to our idea of slope that we learned in Algebra 1. As we enter the graph here, we're going down, 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 down. We hit a minimum value to where there's a change, and then it goes up. So hopefully you can see now that it is increasing as you're going up. Increasing meaning that the y coordinates, the output of the function, is increasing. Then it hits this maximum value, and the output of the function, the y coordinates, are decreasing. Then there's another change, and then that goes up like that forever. So it's increasing on these two intervals that we've highlighted in yellow. We want to give the x coordinates for those. This is kind of small, but it looks to be -2 to +1. Now, the mathematical symbol that we can translate for the word or is a big U, and it's the union. And we read it when x is on the interval from -2 to 1, or if x is on the interval from 3 to infinity, then we say this function is increasing. It's decreasing if we describe the green intervals, and again we'll need another union. On the left, that arrow is telling us -infinity. Then the x coordinate at this point is a -2. You're in this interval, or if you're on the interval from 1 to 3, the function is also decreasing. It's never constant. And we do not have symmetry with respect to the y-axis. The left side is not a mirror image of the right side. It's not an even function. We don't have symmetry with respect to the origin. It's not passing through the origin. If you rotated this 180 degrees, this portion here that looks like it's kind of opening upward would open downward. So it's clearly not odd. So it's neither.